Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, Vscode installed and a project folder opened. Next, open the integrated terminal with Ctrl+ or via View Terminal so you can run commands inside the editor. Make sure to choose the default shell that matches your workflow, PowerShell, Command Prompt, or Bash, because the shell determines available commands and environment. Once done, the terminal appears at the bottom. You can run ls or dir to inspect files immediately. You now run commands. Type npm install Python script, py, or git status to work with packages and version control. Use the split terminal button to run multiple sessions side by side, and click the plus icon to create new terminals. Name them for clarity. Navigate your project with cd and list files with ls or dir, and use clear to remove clutter. Make sure terminals inherit your workspace environment, so path and variables match what your tasks expect. You finish by connecting the terminal to tasks and debuggers, run tasks, run task or configure task. JSON to automate builds. For persistent behavior, set the terminal, integrated, default profile and terminal, integrated, profiles, asterisk in settings, and add integrated env to pass environment variables. If the terminal fails to start or shows unexpected commands, restart Vscode, check your path, and inspect shell config files like bashrc or PowerShell profile.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.